Hey, coffee lovers! Are you tired of spending a fortune at your local coffee shop for a cup of barista quality coffee? In this video, we're going to share with you our top 8 coffee products that will help you elevate your coffee game and make delicious coffee at home. From bean grinders to coffee makers and milk frothers, we have tried and tested each product to ensure that you get the best cup of coffee every time. So, let's get started. 1. AeroPress Coffee Maker. This compact and versatile coffee maker uses a unique brewing process to produce a smooth and rich cup of coffee. It's great for traveling or for making a quick cup at home. 2. Chemex Pour-Over Coffee Maker. This elegant and simple coffee maker produces a clean and flavorful cup of coffee. It's a bit more time-consuming than some other methods, but the results are worth it. 3. Hario V60 Coffee Dripper. This popular pour-over coffee maker is a favorite of many coffee enthusiasts. It produces a bright and complex cup of coffee, and the V-shaped design ensures a consistent brew. 4. Breville Smart Grinder Pro. This high-end grinder allows you to adjust the grind size and dose with precision, making it easy to get the perfect coffee every time. It's a bit expensive, but it's a great investment for serious coffee lovers. 5. OXO Good Grips Cold Brew Coffee Maker. This easy-to-use cold brew coffee maker produces a smooth and refreshing cup of coffee. It's perfect for hot summer days, and the airtight design ensures that your coffee stays fresh for days. 6. Fellow Stag EKG Electric Pour-Over Kettle. This sleek and stylish electric kettle is perfect for pour-over coffee. It heats water quickly and has a precision pour spout that allows for easy and precise control over the flow of water. 7. Milk Frother. This handy device makes it easy to create frothy milk for lattes and cappuccinos. It's a great addition to any coffee setup and allows you to create cafe-quality drinks at home. 8. Coffee Scale. This simple but essential tool allows you to measure out the perfect amount of coffee and water for your brew. It's accurate and easy to use, and ensures that you get consistent results every time. That's it for our comprehensive review of the top 8 products for delicious, barista-quality coffee. We hope that this video has helped you discover some new tools and techniques to help you perfect your coffee game. Investing in high-quality coffee equipment can make a big difference in the quality of your coffee and can save you money in the long run. Whether you're a coffee enthusiast or just looking for an easy way to make a great cup of coffee at home, these products are definitely worth considering. So, thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this.